In this video, I will guide you on how to change your name on Snapchat. First, you want to launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you will find name and username. If you only want to change your name, go ahead and tap on the name option. Now, go ahead and enter a new name. So you can simply erase the existing name and type in a new name. After that, tap on the save option at the bottom. Once you do that, your name will be changed. If you want to change your username as well, select that, then tap on the change username option. But remember that your username can only be changed once a year. If you want that, tap on the continue option. Now go ahead and enter in a new username. Snapchat will check if that username is available. If it is, then you will be able to change into it. For that, tap on the next option. In this way, you can easily change your name on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.